we're going to give you a bit of an update on what's been happening with Ross's car. We bought his story a while ago, so let's check out what's been happening with it since.
Wow, what have you done?
Brought it back to its original form. Obviously, there's a lot of stuff that's gone over later to go in the car, but enough for us to run it the way it is, and that way you can fit it in the car with everything new.
Beautiful.
0 hours on it.
You've done all the new heads and everything?
Yeah, the whole lot. Everything inside it is new. New pistons, new
pistons, new rings?
Yeah, the whole lot.
What about camshafts?
Camshaft is a new one as well, new lifters. Yeah.
Wonderful.
It's just the outside of it is still the old thing, but yeah.
Burned my arm, but when I saw even the distributor was burned out. What if you got a new one?
I put a new distributor in it and we made electronic.
Oh really?
So you never have to touch the points again.
Beautiful.
So the carburetor's brand new, it's been done.
I mainly did my tune out, my maintenance all of this year.
Yeah.
Tune up and everything, but I had to put the coins on it. Sit on the road and put the coins on. Crank it to put it in the time and put the little jacket tappets and all this. It wasn't easy to go.
Nah, it's a lot of work. No, now it's all hydraulic, there's no tappets to adjust. There's electronic ignition, there's no point. You just got to put 12 volts, but when they wire the car up, I'll explain it to you well. You've got to take the baluster off.
Oh yeah.
You have to have 12 volt because it's a 12 volt system. A
volt.
brand new distributor.
Beautiful, thank you.
Yeah. Good to see it come back together the way it was. Brand new water pump, new harmonic balancer, everything. All the bolts have been plated or replaced.
Did you take the thumb out?
Sorry?
Did you take the thumb out?
Some.
Yeah. Did you?
The sum. That's your sum.
Yeah, but you took it out. Yeah.
I had to pull it apart, the whole engine. You're talking about that?
Yeah.
It was down to the last nut and bolt.
But you did change the bearing and the crankshaft and everything like that? You did?
Yes, I put new bearings in it.
Crankshaft alright?
Yeah.
That's good,
Yeah, no, crankshaft's good. Once you get it to that stage, all those moving parts, you just put them in the bin.
Fully reconditioned.
Why would you cut corners? It's not worth it.
Beautiful.
There's no point doing what we did, otherwise.
Of course,
That's what makes it all exciting.
Yeah, that's right. You do everything.
Yeah, we do everything. We don't do camshafts. We buy them brand new.
Oh, camshaft is a good one.
Yeah, it's too much to have in house, but everything else is done
properly
in house.
Thank you.
So we've got control of what we do.
Beautiful.
Let's make a noise.
Rockstar, man.
What else to explain? It's a basic 308 engine. There's no big modifications made. It basically runs all OEM spec stuff inside the engine. It's been balanced, been line honed, all the sleek work's been done again. New timing chain, gear set, everything, new oil pump, been balanced. In a very, very mild camshaft. Basically a good 308 engine with plenty of torque. You can enjoy it now. Go and do some skid. if that's not repeatability, I don't know what is.
Happy, Dad?
Very happy and blessed and everything. Compliment to look. Well done.
All good. But it's a bit of a dying art. Mum and dad cars, I don't get into that much. These days, if an engine's gone, you just go buy one from the wrecks, put it in there, keep going. Yours is special. That's special. That's where we survive. For sure. Specialise in what we do, make people get to their goals.